Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Stories for Beginners. I'm so happy to see you here today. Do you want to practice speaking English more naturally? Do you sometimes feel nervous in daily conversations? In this channel, stories become your teacher. We also practice using the shadowing technique. That means you listen carefully, and then repeat after me, just like my shadow. Copy my voice, my speed, and my feeling. This will train your brain to think in English, rather than translating. So relax, listen closely, and repeat every line with me. Today's story is called The Secret Life of Moms. It is full of simple English sentences, clear pronunciation, and useful daily expressions. Stay with me to the end, and your English will get stronger, step by step. Are you ready? Let's begin. Before sunrise.
My name is Emily. I am a mom. I have 2 children. Lily is my daughter. Noah is my son. Every day, I wake up at 6 a.m. Outside, it is still dark. The stars are fading. I feel a little tired, but I get up. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with warm water. I brush my teeth. I put on my robe. I walk to the kitchen. I make a hot cup of coffee. I hold the cup with both hands. The steam rises. I take a slow sip. It wakes me up inside.
Breakfast and little notes.
I cook eggs and toast. Sometimes I make pancakes. My children love pancakes. They say, "Yay, pancakes today." While breakfast cooks, I pack lunch boxes, a sandwich, carrot sticks, an apple, a juice box. I write a tiny note. "Have a great day," or "I love you." Small note, big love.
Wake up call.
At 7 o'clock, I wake the kids. Lily rolls over. "5 more minutes, Mom," she says. Noah pulls the blanket over his head. I smile and whisper, "Time to get up, sleepyheads." They wash their faces. They brush their teeth. I help Lily find her socks. Noah dresses himself. He is getting so big. We sit at the table. We eat together. We talk about the day. "Do you have everything for school?" I ask. Backpacks, lunch boxes, homework.
School run.
At 8 o'clock, we leave the house. I drive for 20 minutes. The road is quiet. Soft music plays. We talk about cartoons. At school, I park the car. We walk to the gate. They wave goodbye. They run to their friends. I wave back. I drive home. The house is quiet again. I drink a glass of water. I sit for 10 minutes. Just me and my thoughts.
Tidy and fresh.
I fold warm laundry. Socks with socks. Shirts with shirts. Everything in drawers. I tidy the living room. I pick up toys. I wipe the shelves. I sweep the floor. The room feels light. My mind feels clear.
Mini dialogue at the store.
I walk to the grocery store. It is 5 minutes away. Hello, the clerk says. Hello, I answer. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm fine. What do you need? I need bread, milk, and apples, please. White bread or brown bread? White bread, please. A big bottle of milk or a small one? A big one, please. These apples are fresh today. Perfect. My children love apples. Anything else? Yes, I also need some soap. No problem. Here you are. How much is it? $5. Here you go. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. See you next time. I carry the bags home. They are not heavy, but my heart feels happy. My family has what we need.
Midday reset.
At 12 o'clock, I eat lunch. Rice and vegetables. Sometimes soup. Simple and healthy. Sometimes my neighbor Sarah joins me. We sit in the garden. We talk about little things. The breeze is soft. The sun is kind. I wash the dishes. I rest on the sofa. 20 minutes only. I close my eyes. Energy returns.
Pick up joy.
At 2:30, I drive to school. The bell rings. Children run out. Laughter fills the air. Lily sees me first. Noah waves and runs. Mom, I played soccer today. Mom, I read about dinosaurs. Their joy fills my heart. At home, they change clothes. We eat a small snack. Apple slices, yogurt, crackers.
Homework table.
We sit at the kitchen table. It is homework time. Reading, writing, math. We make it fun. We clap for good tries. We fix small mistakes. We keep going. A little progress. Every day. If there is extra time. They watch a short cartoon. I open the fridge. I think about dinner. What should I cook tonight?
Dinner as a team.
At 5 o'clock, I cook dinner. Rice and vegetables. Sometimes chicken, sometimes fish. Lily washes the vegetables. Noah sets the table. We work together. We laugh together. We learn together. We eat as a family. How was your day? I ask. Noah says, I fell, but I didn't cry. Lily says, my teacher liked my drawing. We smile. We share. We listen. After dinner, we clean up. I wash. They dry. Teamwork again. The kitchen shines.
Evening quiet.
We move to the living room. We play a little game. Or we read books. Sometimes one short cartoon. Soft voices. Soft hearts. At 7:30, it is bath time. I help Lily in the bath. Noah can do it himself. He is proud. I am proud, too. They brush their teeth. They wear pajamas. They choose a storybook. animals, or space. We open the pages.
Lights out, love on.
I read with voices. They listen with wide eyes. We travel in stories while sitting still. At 8:30, it is bedtime. I turn off the lamp. I kiss their foreheads. Good night, I love you. Good night, Mommy, they whisper. The house is quiet again. I make a cup of tea. I sit on the sofa. I feel tired. I feel happy. This is my day. I clean. I cook. I teach. I love. It is not always easy, but it is special. Small moments, big meaning. A mom's quiet superpower.
Great job. You listened, repeated, and shadowed with me today. Every sentence you spoke made your English stronger. This story, The Secret Life of Moms, shows us that daily life is not just about tasks. It's about care, teamwork, and small moments of love. And for you, shadowing can make your English more natural step by step. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends. Subscribe to English Stories for Beginners for more practice. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new story. One page, one story, one step, your English will grow. Keep practicing every day, and you will see a change in yourself. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video.